Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to disable data sync on X, focusing on Twitter. Follow these steps to take control of your data usage. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device to access your Twitter account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen to open the account menu. Step 3. Select Settings and Support from the menu options. Step 4. Tap on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 5. Navigate to Accessibility, Display and Languages within the Settings menu. Step 6. Select Data Usage to manage your data settings. Step 7. Finally, locate and turn off the Sync Data option to disable data synchronization on Twitter. By following these steps, you can prevent data sync on X, Twitter, and have more control over your data usage and privacy. If you found this guide helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.